Alright, so it's Sunday morning, it's a little overcast, hopefully the sun will come out. I'm on my way to Italian Sports Car Day. I'm not really sure what that means other than there's going to be Maseratis, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Fiats, and they're going to be on display. They invited me to bring my car down, so I have no idea what to expect. So we'll go and check it out and have a little bit of fun. So, we'll see. Whoop. That was, I think they have a little bit of Vaseline on the road there. I wanted to go back the same way we were coming.